If you're a business owner, one of the most important things that you should be concerned about is the customer experience. And at Big Dog Adhesives, they take the customer experience very seriously. And one thing they do to help you deliver a top-notch customer experience is they have introduced the scent of cinnamon into their cartridge adhesives. Now, you as a fabricator, you might be thinking, why would you do that? Why is that important? Well, if you've been in the industry for a long time, you've probably become numb or immune to the smell of the adhesives that are used in the fabrication of countertops. I'm sure if you think back to the first day you ever came into a shop and you smelled that adhesive, you were probably taken aback. You're like, oh my gosh, this stuff is strong. But if you've been in the industry for a while, you've pretty much grown numb to the smell of that adhesive. However, if you're pulling a seam in a customer's home, that customer is not immune to the smell of that adhesive. When they walk into that kitchen, it can be quite overwhelming for them. In fact, one of the #1 complaints that most fabricators get from homeowners is, man, you guys did an amazing job on my countertops. They look amazing. You left my home clean. Thank you so much for vacuuming it and wearing your booties. Like, we love everything that you did. However, my home smells horrible. When is that smell going to leave my home? It is so strong. I'm getting a headache. I can't sleep. I can't breathe. Those calls come in all the time from customers that are not used to the smell of the adhesives, and they are not, I guess you would say, no matter how much you tell them, aware of how strong that smell will be. Now, by Big Dog Adhesives introducing the cinnamon scent into the cartridge adhesives, when you are sanding and polishing down that seam, as that adhesive heats up, it is going to release the smell of cinnamon cookies into the air. So when the customer comes into their kitchen, instead of being hit immediately and taken aback by a strong, obnoxious chemical smell, they're instead going to smell the pleasant smell of cinnamon cookies, which provides a much better customer experience than an annoying chemical smell. So yes, if you smell the scent of cinnamon in your adhesives, it's not a mistake, it is not an accident, the glue is not bad. That cinnamon scent is put there intentionally by Big Dog Adhesives, all in the effort to help you deliver a top-tier customer experience.